The woman who gave sight back to the world. The untold story of Patricia Bath. What if the difference between darkness and light depended on one person refusing to accept the way things are? In 1942, in the heart of Harlem, New York, a girl was born into a world that did not expect her to change it. Her name was Patricia Bath. Her father was the son of Korean immigrants, a man who valued curiosity and encouraged his children to explore. And her mother worked tirelessly to ensure her children had opportunities she never had, saving money to buy Patricia her first chemistry set, a small act that would quietly shape the future of medicine. From a young age, Patricia was different. She didn't just look at the world, she questioned it. Why do people suffer? Why do some have access to care while others don't? Why are solutions accepted as final when they clearly are not? As a teenager, she earned a place in a summer program that allowed her to study cancer research, something almost unheard of for her age. Even then, she began to understand something most people overlook, that discovery is not reserved for the powerful. It belongs to the persistent. She carried that belief with her as she entered Hunter College and later Howard University College of Medicine. She faced a reality far more difficult than textbooks. She was a black woman in a field that had made little room for her. Doors did not open easily. Recognition did not come quickly, but she moved forward anyway. Giving up was not an option. During her training, Patricia noticed something. In underserved communities, especially among black patients, blindness was far more common. Not because the diseases were different, but because access to treatment was. It wasn't biology. It was inequality. And for Patricia Bath, that was unacceptable. She chose to specialize in ophthalmology, the study of the eye. She entered a space where she would once again be the first, often the only breaking barriers for the sake of progress. People were losing their vision helplessly from cataracts, a condition that was treatable, yet left millions blind due to lack of access. Imagine living in a world where faces become shadows and independence disappears, knowing a solution is just out of reach. And Patricia Bath refused to accept it. She envisioned a way to remove cataracts using laser technology. Years of research followed, years of doubt. This was not a straight path. It was a fight against skepticism and systemic limitations. But she kept going, because for her, this was never just about invention. It was about people. It was about restoring something taken. And then she did it. She created the Laserphaco probe, a device that removed cataracts with precision never seen before. This was transformation. For the first time, a risky procedure became safer. Patients were given a real chance to see again. Faces returned. Colors came back. Lives were rebuilt. Patricia Bath helped restore sight to thousands. But even that was not enough. She understood that an invention means nothing if it does not reach the people who need it most. So she took her work beyond laboratories. She traveled, she taught, she advocated for eyesight as a basic human right. She co-founded the American Institute for the Prevention of Blindness, bringing treatment to those who had never had access. And still, for many years, her name remained unknown. No headlines, just quiet impact. Thousands of lives changed forever. Patricia Bath passed away in 2019, but her legacy lives on in every person who regained their sight because of her work.